Good morning, Michael. Of 2026, Uganda versus Christopher Okello Onyo.
Yes, my Lord. My Lord, the representation is as before.
I wanted to repeat them for purposes of recording as Friday.
The prosecution, Jonathan Waganya, and Miss Anna Kiza, watching brief, Mr. Stanley Okecho, Mr. Pius Katumba Sobozi, Mr. Roger Gary.
Wambala.
For the accused,
yes.
Miss
Hello?
Sarah Awell, Mr. Richard Kumbu. All the accused is also in court. The three assessors are also in court. The matter is for further hearing, my Lord. And is pending cross-examination of TW10.
Yes, Thomas.
Yes.
Waliwo nabadde bagira abadde ayogera anti yoli yambadde red.
Good morning, Mr. Makari.
Okay.
Good morning, sir. Okay, thank you for coming back, and I'm reminding you that you are still in court. Yesterday you swore to speak the truth, so you're still on that oath. Yes, Mr. Morgan. Please, cross-examine.
Thank you, my Lord. Mr. Joel, I will listen to the following questions. You confirm you were managing business that's talked about? Do you confirm you were managing business that's you talked about?
Okakasa nti gwe yali manager wa estate ze wayogeddeko.
Kakasa.
I confirm.
Do you have any document to confirm your allegations that you were a manager?
Olina ekiwandiiko kyonna ekikakasa nti gwe manager.
Kaseera kano mbadde sina kiwandiiko kyenkusina kyo.
Today I don't have any document I moved with.
Do Did you know you were coming to court to give evidence?
Obadde omanyi nti obadde ojja mu kooti kuwa obujulizi?
Mbadde nkimanyi.
Okay.
Ennyo.
So I want to tell you that nobody else will bring that document.
Ayagadde okugamba nti teri muntu mulala ajja kuleeta ekiwandiiko ekyo.
What's your level of education?
Wasoma
highest.
kyenkanawo.
Nasoma okutuuka mu senior 4.
Senior 4.
I am a senior foreigner.
At police, in your police statement, in case you recorded, is that true?
Wakola statement ku poliisi.
Police aliwa statement.
When you were statement.
Statement at police.
I pray that the state attorneys give him the police statement.
Niwe obaddewo sinakutandika. Anti obaddewo. Wetaddewo? Oba? Nteeseza eri enkuba nga manyi kyajja kujja ekyankala nti sinakutadde eri.
Enkuba etanyukira jja.
Okay, you confirm it's your statement.
Ekyo kiwandiiko kye bakuwadde ye statement gye wakola.
You go to the last page.
Genda ku page esembayo.
You see where the police officer signed?
Olaba omupoliisi gye yawusayininga. I
Okay.
see where he signed.
Are you aware that your name does not exist there?
Okimanyi nti awo tewali linnya lyo.
Me aware the police officer signed.
Kumpi n'omupoliisi gye yasayininga.
Ndaba teriiwo.
I see it is not indicated there.
Are you aware that there is nothing to show that there is your signature?
Okimanyi nti tewali awantu wonna awalaga nti waliwo omukono gwo oba weesayininze.
Ssabakozi b'ameko olutiiro.
Are you aware that there is nothing where you are talking about your signature does not exist?
Nti okimanyi nti ku kiwandiiko ekyo tewali awali signature yo oba omukono gwo.
Please look at the way I'm showing you.
Mba nkyetegereza siraba kasignature yange.
Okay.
You're looking at it, I don't see my signature.
So since you ended in S4, would I be right to say you know how to write your name?
Nga bwe wakoma ku siniya y'okuna bw'agamba nti agambe nti omanyi okuwandiika erinnya lyo.
Erinnya lyange namenywamu.
I know how to write my name.
Would I also be right to say you know how to sign?
Era omanyi okusayininga.
Omanyi okusayininga.
I know how to sign.
Thank you. Now, Rose, can you the last page? Have you seen where there is the word during my interaction?
Ku page esembayo olina olaba ekigambo kiri mu Luzungu nga kigamba nti during our interaction kiwandiisa awo.
Okay. Can you read it
I've
to
seen it.
court?
Osobola kisomera kooti.
Nsobola okukisoma.
I can read it.
Esokozeeko.
Kisome.
During my interaction with this man, he was well coordinated in everything and looked a perfect and normal person.
Okay. Will I be right to confirm that you do not have any expertise in the medical profession to confirm the health status of a human being?
agamba nti si mutuufu okugamba nti tolina bukugu bw'ekisawo okumanya omuntu oba mulamu oba si mulamu, ategeera bulungi oba ategeera.
Obukugu obwo sibulina.
I don't have that expertise.
My Lord, the alleged statement has no name of the alleged witness. It has no signature. Whereas he knows how to write or cite.
The alleged statement of the witness has no name.
Has no signature. I pray that court receives his statement, since he's not the one who wrote as the PID. To show that he has no police statement. Much obliged.
Oludda olw'omuvunaana bagamba nti omujulizi ono statement gye bamuwadde teriko linnya lye, teriko na mukono gwe oba siginica ye, n'olwekyo abadde asaba kooti ekiwandiiko ekyo bakireete kooti ekyekaanye ekakase nti omujulizi ono teyakola statement ku poliisi.
He was well coordinated in everything and looking perfect and normal person. Yet you say you are not, you don't have the expertise to confirm his health status. I want you to clarify what was the basis for your saying observation.
Bakubuuziza n'ogamba nti wayogera n'omusajja oyo yali ategeera bulungi bye yali akola era yali alabika ng'omuntu eyali bulungi, ng'omutwe gwe gukola bulungi. Ne baddamu ne bakubuuza oba wali olina obukugu mu by'obusawo n'ogamba nti nedda, era akubuuza wagendera ku ki, wasinziira ku ki okugamba nti omusajja ono yali ng'ategeera bulungi.
Sinziira bikolwa bye.
I based on his actions.
What actions?
Bikolwa bye biki nga ki?
Okugeza nga namugamba okugenda okusasula ssente ku bank.
For example, when I told him to go and pay money at the bank,
Yakikola nga ng'alimunyamisa.
he did it as I had told him.
What else?
Ekirala,
Bwe yamala okusasula ssente mu bank, yasobola okukomawo era n'aleeta bank slip.
after paying the money in the bank, he was able to come and bring the bank slip.
What else?
Ekirala,
Yali asobola okwogera amannya ge.
he was able to mention his names. ekirala
ebyo bimu bye nali mbeesingirako olaba nti
those are some of the actions I based to say that he was okay.
Those are some of the actions based on to conclude that he was.
Soko kiddemu byebyo byewasinziirako okugamba nti yali atya.
ebyo nasinziirako okutegeera nti omuntu we nali nkolagana naye talina buzibu bwonna.
That was the basis for me to say that the person I was dealing with was okay.
Talina buzibu bwonna is what? Talina buzibu bwonna. How do you translate that in English? No problem.
Thank you, Mama.
Yes, Mr. Mohammed.
I know that's so.
Could we have the next witness in the meeting together?
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Mohammed.
The suspect says he wants our attention.
Sorry? Once, as lawyers. Oh, please go on the television. Is there anything you would like to mention to the court or medical representative?
He's wanting it there.
Let's have the next witness. Mr. Makai, thank you so much for coming. Please, come sit down.
Mwami Makayi weewale nnyo okujja, osobola kutuula kati.